I'm back at this magnificent home owned by my fellow collector, and today I want to show you another one-of-one art piece curated by the same artist who made the kinetic red from the previous episode. Today, I present you a wooden-inspired door handle. This door handle is placed on this main door of this household. Kung gantong klaseng pinto yung kakarolingan mo, make sure na alam mo yung kantang The First Noel. Kasi hindi pwede dito yung mga ang Pasko ay sumapit lang. As a collector, like myself, I think everybody's aware, why would I choose LC Luxury Crafts?
Luxury art kasi is an investment. You are paying for the premium materials, intense labor, and the artist's expertise. Sulit talaga yung binabayad mo. Kasi yung mga walled art pieces na ginagawa ni Luxury Crafts, they are built to last generations.
For generations. Also, one of the benefits of having this kind of luxurious door handle is safety. Why? Kasi yung mga burglars, bago pa sila pumasok sa loob ng bahay mo where your family is located, dito pa lang sa pinto, pag nakuha nila to, kota na. Mga 3 to 6 months silang hindi magiging kriminal.
Expertise namin yung fiberglass sculptures. Then meron din tayong metal sculptures. Lahat yun, all in customized yun.
Although this door handle screams, nakawan mo kami. Fair warning, this door handle comes with a CCTV feature that has direct feed straight to the police station.
Inalam ko muna yung details. Then after ko makuha lahat ng details from color, from shape, doon ako nag-suggest ng sculpture na i-install. So I provide pictures.
It's like the house is shaking your hands, like meeting you for the first time. It's saying, welcome, pasok ka sa loob. It's so poetic. What about yung door handle naman?
It came up kasi maraming inquiries na maghahanap ng door. Probably it's time to focus also the door sculptures. So nag-provide ako ng mga designs. Then luckily yung match dun sa door ni sir is yung wooden. So yun na yung napili ni sir.
So, why don't we shake the hands of this home? Ow! Wait. Po, tatanggalin yung sapatos? Kailangan talaga? Sige. Pwede na. Wow! What a beautiful home! Kayo as an artist, ano yung mga artworks or art pieces na meron kayo sa bahay?
Yung katulad ng meron ka.
Hindi kayo.
Alam mo naman, member tayo ng
Gusto.
LKL.
LKL. This door handle has more personality than some people I know.